We here at UEI are excited to announce Wi-Fi Direct as a connectivity solution for the home theater. Looking at the home theater, looking at the devices commonly used in the home theater, you obviously have tablets and smartphones making their way into every home. You have your remote control on the coffee table. You probably have a connected TV, and if you don't, you're probably going to purchase one very soon. Your set-top boxes, Roku type over-the-top service providers, they're all making their way into the home theater. Now, a common question is, what is the single unified solution that can tie all these devices together? And we think we have the solution. Wi-Fi Direct, a new standard from the Wi-Fi Alliance, forward and backwards compatible, opens the door for a range of applications. Through our strategic partnership with Osmo, we're now happy to announce the availability of the solution for controllers within the home theater, and an example of applications that can be enabled through this unique implementation. Wi-Fi has been known to be high power, which means shorter battery lives, long latency, which means command executions on a remote control cannot afford the delays introduced by Wi-Fi. And looking at the history of Wi-Fi enabled remotes or control solutions in the market has been traditionally going after the higher end, more expensive and complex solutions. Wi-Fi Direct addresses all these issues. It provides almost instantaneous control and years of battery life on a standard remote control use case, as well as connectivity and reliability with all the connected devices, all the Wi-Fi enabled devices within the home. Values for OEMs integrating this technology, such as removing the need for secondary radios on the TV as long as you have a Wi-Fi inside your connected TV or Wi-Fi inside the set-top box. You actually don't need an alternative RF for control. You can use the same RF technology. And obviously, since you're removing secondary radios, the development process and the integration effort is much easier and risk-free. No more worries about interference between multiple radios inside a single device. This is a standard IPTV remote control. Now, enhanced with connectivity through Wi-Fi Direct, not only I can control a set-top box easily and reliably, I can also use alternative Wi-Fi devices in the home, such as tablets or even your laptop, to configure this device. So simply flipping the remote control over, I can pick up an iOS, iPad, or an Android device, or a laptop, and go through a very user-friendly process of setting up the remote control code. So let's say we want to start setting up a television. You simply select a television setup, and you will be provided with a list of most popular brands in the market based on the market research data that we have, and it's integrated inside our database. If you by some chance do not have any of these brands, you can always go into other and search for every single brand ever shipped, because UEI's database actually covers majority, if not all, the popular brands in the market. Now, the TV that we're setting up here is a Samsung TV. Simply select a brand and you'll be provided with an interesting series of commands to test. This series of commands are designed to achieve the shortest path to identifying the proper device based on the knowledge of the popularity of the devices and the signals that we know. Now, you'll test mute, you'll say OK, you'll check the TV is working, mute it, so you press OK, display, all right, I see the interaction over there, it works, input, works perfectly, and finally power. And power works, I just turned off my TV, so I'll just press it one more time to turn it back on. As easy as that, I've just added a new TV to my remote control. I can continue using the tablet with the remote control, or I can simply put down the tablet, and now we can actually use the remote control itself, surfing the channels based on the direct Wi-Fi direct capability that we have, or continue to change volume on the TV. Now, a different scenario is when you've purchased a UEI Wi-Fi Direct enabled remote control, and you've already set up the remote control to control your home entertainment devices. So basically, you've already gone through the setup process for the equipment that you already have in your stack up. You bring home a new tablet, and you want to use the tablet for controlling your home entertainment devices. You basically just flip the remote over and pick up the tablet. We'll basically go ahead and make the connection between the tablet and the remote control. It's a UEI smart control. We'll connect, and it will automatically start pulling in all the current configurations from the remote. The TV that we've already set up, the AV receiver, DVD player, and so on and so forth. As you can see up here, they're all available for control. I tap in, I have different interfaces with all available commands for that device. It's fairly easy and intuitive to control. I can power on the target and start navigating the menu, control the volume, switch to the set-top box. Again, same set of commands, and I'm no longer limited by the available commands and hard keys on the remote control. I can expose all the advanced functionalities of the TV or the set-top box through this graphical, rich user interface.